Ever wanted to clone any website in seconds? For free? Well, now you can with this incredible web app. It's a simple 3-step plan. First, we'll open the Open Lovable repository on GitHub. Welcome to Open Lovable. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to the Setup section. You'll see the commands you need. Now fire up your terminal. Copy and paste the git clone command, then cd into the directory and run npm install. This will get all the necessary files set up on your machine. Step 2. Editing the environment file. Open the project folder in your favorite code editor like VS Code. Create a new file and name it .env.local. Now, copy everything from the .env example file and paste it right into your new .env local file. We need some API keys. Let's start with E2B. Head over to e2b.dev and sign up. I'm using GitHub for a quick and easy login. Authorize the app, and you're in. Inside your E2B dashboard, navigate to API Keys on the left sidebar. Click Create Key, give it a memorable name like Lovable, and create it. Boom, copy that key. Now, jump back to your code editor and paste that shiny new API key right where it says E2B _ API Key. Perfect. Next up, Firecrawl. Go to firecrawl.dev. Sign up, again using GitHub to speed things up. Once you're in the Firecrawl dashboard, find API keys in the menu. There's your default key. Just click to copy it. Back to VS Code. Paste the Firecrawl key into the Firecrawl API key field. We're on a roll. And now for the final key from Groq. Head over to groq.com and click Start Building. In your Groq dashboard, go straight to API Keys and click Create API Key. You don't even need to name it. It generates instantly. Copy it. You know the drill. Back in the .env.local file, paste the Groq key into the Groq API Key variable. You can also add keys for other providers like Google AI Studio. Once you have all your keys, save the file. All right, moment of truth. Go back to your terminal and run the command npm run dev. Watch it compile. And there it is. A local server is running. Copy the localhost :3000 address and paste it into your browser. Welcome to your very own Open Lovable interface. You can see the different AI models you can use. Let's select Gemini 2.5 Pro for this demo. Now for the fun part, testing. Let's try cloning. Netflix. I'll grab the URL from the Netflix homepage. Back in Open Lovable, paste the Netflix URL into the bar. Now check this out. You can choose the style you want. Let's go with a modern look. You can even add more specific details. Hit that arrow to start the magic. And here we go. It's gathering information, planning the structure, and now it's generating the code live. You can see all the components being built in real time on the left. Header, footer, features. It's building the entire site from scratch. And just like that, it's done! A complete modern React app version of the Netflix homepage, running right on your machine. How cool is that? You can scroll through and see all the sections. But wait, there's more. You can chat with the AI to make changes. Let's say I want to change the brand from Netflix to Quarify. I'll just type that instruction. The AI identifies the files to change and even updates the logo's SVG path. It applies the changes and presto. The site now says Quarify. It's a fully interactive development experience. Thanks for watching. If you thought that was awesome, hit that like button and subscribe for more.